21st century gi matam asida game asi ahal amadi angang khaktana sanaba hengalakli game asi sanaraga life career semba yabra game industry kayam chawi asidagi income kayam tanba yai video game asi karamna sembano game developer karino karamna oigani future da kari oigadoribano gaming industry asi laikhigadra natraga lairaroidra Sar zone amadi students ki gaming class ki topic is and every details about gaming career and courses ngasi ki video sida fangbigani maramaduna video si hobodi loba fawbutang yengbiu mayambu request education channel ge mai degi ikokno na khoramjeri anowa viewers obirabadi please channel su subscribe to biu loinana friends sing su WhatsApp Facebook Instagram gi through degi su share su to biu channel asigi pandamdi iramdam asigi haugalakliba nahasingbu wakhal thona pibani Sunrise English School adugi oja ama leirami oja adugi mingna Sar John Kowi students adugi manungda Sam Koba nupa macha ama amadi Rosemary Kobi nupi macha masu leirami Sar John class 12 room aduda sanglami substitute teacher oina students na good morning sir Sar John na very good morning sit down Ngasidi Sir James laktabana aina oina substitute sanglabani ngasigi topic asi interesting ohensi maramaduna na khoina yamna pamna sanaba gaming gi matangda full details sar aina ngasidi nakhoi mayamda takpige semna lairik pabasu yamna talli game asum sananingduna lay asidagi karamna lairik romda mayonsan gani sar John Matam asigi matungina game sanabasi phate haibasu yade students kayama lairik tamtamna million da income tanba fawba yawnare government job tawragadi fixed salary ni gaming industry asidi Hollywood movies na taliba revenue income dagisu gaming industry na hele hojikti 5G hojik launch tawrakle maramasina speed su yamna helani Rosemary na Adudi sarna hairi se khoi game yamna pambanina khoi loina lairik tam tok laga gaming da loina focus tawbana fagadra Sar John na no adu haibanate game asi sanabadi lai programming sembadi aduki matik lui students khuding makna loina gaming program asi dangamoi akhanaba science stream amadi computer programming da interest laiba students na ngamgani it means kharadi fashion designing medical hotel management engineering da su interest laiba yauna bana pumna makti oithokloi adubu ngamoi haibadi nate semna gaming industry asida khongdarakpa matamda billionaire oiba yai haibasi chumbra sar John chumi matam asida aso tournament kaya ama tauri like number 1 the international 9 $34.3 million number 2 The 2019 Fortnite World Cup Final $30.4 million Number 3 Dota 2 Asia Championship $3 million Mayamasi prize ngaktani Hana football player cricket player any sport person senjau pairba sigumna gamer kayamasu hojik senjau paibagi list yaurakle Rosemary na kari game no sir hojik competitive game oribasi Sar John na EA Sports, PUBG, Free Fire, Dota, NBA 2K, CSGO, mayamasida company na million de investawi Sam na Indian gamers mingkra haibiu sar asiki feel asida success oiriba Sar John na Indian gamers ming adudi Garibo, Dynamo Gaming, Crenton Gaming, Alpha Cracer mayamasi hojik lairik tamna sale tanba kayama yauri na khoisu ngamoi haiba leite honabudi tai honabachangi Rosemary na highly competitive gaming sanabase mobile da yabra sar John na aikoina cricket bat afaba pairadi run yamna semba yaiko football boot afaba tonglabadi sanaba nungaiko lan changba matamda khulai afaba pairabadi fai natra sumna computer hardware afaba sizinarbadi hena fai like processor RAM storage GPU same na Gaming career asida makhal kayadagi source of income tanba yage Sar John na makhal mayamdagi income tanba yai ahanbada Google AdSense dagi video game gi marakta advertise ulibasi Google AdSense na gamer aduda YouTube channel run tawriba miyo aduda dollar da income isagi bank account da money transfer tobirakani. Anisubada affiliate marketing. Any product like laptop, computer, logo, t-shirt mayam asigi link asi viewers na laiba kanda like Amazon or Flipkart dagi aduda commission oina fangani asumna su source of income tanba yai. Number 3, branding. So brand like Puma, Intel, Adidas, Pepsi siguma brand mayam asidagi su income tanba yai. Number 4, sponsorship. Software makhal kayama su sponsor tawraga su income tanba yai. Number 5, super chat, live sticker kayama su lay mayam asi dollar da ngaktani rupees lagi dollar na hena value saubana income gi level asi saubani asumna isagi company fau hangbe yai. Indian gamer kayama mobile lagi game sanaraba matung desktop amadi laptop sanaraba matung haujikti online da unlimited income kayama tali amadi online plus online da su product kayama sell tawduna dollars da kayama income tali per month asi around 1 crore fauba income tanba yauri. Rose Marina gaming course makhal khara haibiu sar Jonah madudi game developer, game designer, gameplay programmer, character animator, art designer, script writer, game tester, game modeler, level designer, level scripter mayam asidagi isagi apama khalaga tamba yai amadi tamba lorba matung ekhoi job fauba toba yai. Semna game asi sabada kari programming season ai sar Jonah C, C++, Java, JavaScript, SQL, HTML, PHP, CSS programming mayam asi season ai. Rose Marina class 12 lorba matung graduate gaming course khara haibiu sar Jonah. Number 1, BTech in computer science and game development. Number 2, BSc in gaming graphics or animation. Number 3, bachelor's in media animation and design. Number 4, BSc in animation game design and development. Number 5, bachelor's of arts BA in animation and computer graphics. Number 6, bachelor of arts BA in digital filmmaking and animation. Semna master course di labor sar Jonah lay madudi. Number 1, integrated MSc in multimedia and animation with game art and design. Number 2, MSc in gaming. Number 3, MSc in game design and development. Number 4, MSc in multimedia and animation asini. Semna graduate amadi master asidi sel yamna changani ado sel yamna changdabida diploma gumadi labra sar Jonah lay adusu madudi. Number 1, certificate in gaming, game art and design. Number 2, diploma in game design. Number 3, advanced diploma in game design and development application. Diploma asi tambal oragasu job fangani isana su anau wakhalon puthoktuna game anauba mayam ama sembasu yai. India gi mafam khara gaming courses tambaya institute madudi ahanbada. Number 1, Arena Animation, New Delhi. Number 2, G Institute of Creative Arts, Bangalore. Number 3, IP Geo Animation College, Bangalore. Number 4, Animaster Academy, Bangalore. Number 5, Academy of Animation and Gaming, Noida, etc. India dagi foreign country na hena salary sawi adubu future da India asidasu growing industry ama oigadori maramdi 5G lakpadagi speed su helabanina data su honglani adu oiragadi games hanaba masingsu hengalani. Pareng asidi bell su takarmina loisalasi. Thank you students mayamna. Thank you sir. Comments ta thambiramu video sina kanaba fangi natraga fangde. Ano viewers obirabadi please channel su subscribe tobiu loinana all bell button su click tobiu maramdi ai hakna ano video upload tobu khuding sa device ta hana fangbigani. Like tobiramu friends in the su WhatsApp Facebook ta su share su tobiu nungai na review harang review. Thank you so much. Take care. I love you all. Bye bye.